Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can quickly teleport to the gear shop and grow a garden. Okay guys, this is my garden and the gear shop is right there. It's so far away from my garden, and I'm going to show you guys how we can quickly teleport to that gear shop. So if we want to quickly teleport there, we need an item called recall wrench, this one. Okay, you can hold this item on your hand and then you just need to click anywhere and then you will quickly teleport it to the gear shop. Okay, and to get this item guys, I recommend you to join the summer harvest event. We'll have a chance to get this recall wrench for free, or if you have money you can buy this recall wrench here in the gear shop. You can click on show me the gear shop and then you can buy the recall wrench. Okay, and I'm just going to go back to my garden. Okay, it will save your time guys, especially when your garden is far away from the gear shop. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.